Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check in for your flight or hotel booking using the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap the trips icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see all your upcoming bookings. Find the flight or hotel reservation you want to check in for. Tap on to open the booking details. If it's a flight, look for a button or link that says check in or check in now. Tap it. This usually takes you to the airline check-in page. Follow the airline's instruction to complete check-in and get your boarding pass. If it's hotel, some hotel allow online check-in through Expedia. Look for check-in or online check-in option on the booking details page. Tap it and follow the step to save time when you arrive. After checking it, save or screenshot your boarding pass or hotel check-in confirmation. And that's it. We have just checked in using the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.